You've probably heard the saying, necessity is the mother of invention. Today, we'll show you this saying come to life. Pakistan is a country with a struggling economy where resources are scarce, but talent is not. Our skilled workers find creative solutions to everyday problems. Today, we'll show you how old fan belts and container locking rods are recycled into strong, comfortable, and waterproof sleeping beds for truck drivers. The first step is collecting old fan belts from workshops and scrapyards. These belts, made of rubber and fiber, are usually thrown away as waste. But for our craftsmen, they are a hidden treasure. We thoroughly clean these belts to remove grease, dirt, and any unwanted material, making them ready for reuse in a durable sleeping bed. Thank you for tuning into Skills Panda. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support motivates me to keep creating amazing content like this. Stay connected for more exciting and skillful restorations. Pakistan is a country with a struggling economy where resources are scarce, but talent is not. Our skilled workers find creative solutions to everyday problems. Today on Skills Panda 2.0, we'll show you how old fan belts and container locking rods are recycled into strong, comfortable, and waterproof sleeping beds for truck drivers. Next, we cut these belts into long, sturdy strands, which will be woven together to create a strong and durable bed surface. Unlike traditional charpai ropes, these rubber-based strands are waterproof and long-lasting. Now it's time to build the frame. Instead of using regular iron pipes, we repurpose large locking rods from shipping containers. These rods are extremely strong and capable of handling heavy weight. making them ideal for a long-lasting bed frame. Our craftsmen cut and weld these rods to create a solid, durable structure that can withstand any weather and heavy use. Many people ask about safety, and it is indeed an important factor. However, in places where even basic necessities are hard to come by, concerns like safety often become secondary. If you're watching this video from the US or another developed country, your perspective is shaped by the rules and regulations in place there. But every country has its own system, and conditions vary from place to place. It would be incorrect to say that Pakistan has no concept of safety. Large industries and factories follow strict safety protocols, but small local workshops and businesses often struggle with financial constraints, making safety measures difficult to implement. These skilled workers have the ability to find solutions to every problem, but there is a clear gap in safety awareness and resource availability. Our goal is not just to showcase their craftsmanship, but also to advocate for better working conditions in the future. Our craftsmen cut and weld these rods to create a solid, durable structure that can withstand any weather and heavy use. Now that the strong frame is ready, we weave the rubber strands tightly onto it, just like a traditional Sharpay. This surface is not only more comfortable but also stronger and weather resistant. The bed is lightweight, foldable, and easy to store in the truck. Now, truck drivers can rest comfortably, anytime, anywhere, without worrying about wet or dirty sleeping conditions. This is the true power of Pakistani craftsmanship. Our workers create practical solutions using limited resources, improving lives without adding economic burden. Necessity is the mother of invention, and Pakistan's skilled workers prove it every day. Instead of discarding old materials, let's recycle them for a better, more sustainable future. A durable and waterproof bed for truck drivers is now ready. It is not only easy to carry, but also affordable. If you want to support these hardworking craftsmen and help improve their safety conditions, share this video so more awareness can be created. Subscribe to Skills Panda 2.0 for more innovative and practical solutions. Take care of yourself and your family. Your well-being is the most important thing, and I truly appreciate your time and support. I'll see you soon in the next video with more exciting content. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep supporting. Goodbye, and take care.